FITUEYES wood printer stands with storage, workspace desk organizers for home and office, black, DO 304001 WB. Durable and stable, strong structure and strong bearing capacity. This wood file organizer is strong enough to put a printer or monitor on top of it and use stackable. Space SAVING&CONVENIENT Great for storage documents, files, literature, books, magazines, notebooks, mails, letters or other supplies to keep conveniently nearby and organized. Intimate protection. This stand is made of MDF with edges. Protection.Nonslip rubber feet reduce movement and protect your work surface from scratches and scuffs. Multi-purpose. The versatile design of this organizer allows for use anywhere like home, office or school. You can use it according to your need and move it easily. Easy assembly. Easy assemble and maintain. All accessories is included. Finished dimensions is 15.7 11.8 8.7 LxWxH weight capacity for shelf 33/11 20 pounds. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.